That Hiral to Sandip Agarwal. Also a note here for our viewers. Full conversation will be seen on NDTV Profit at 9:50 this morning. So stay tuned for that. Sandip is, of course, fund manager and co-founder at Sowilo Investment, but lives and breathes IT. No one understands it better than him. Sandip, we spoke about Wipro before the results. Were you disappointed?
No, see, obviously, there was not enough expectation also. But let me put it this way: see, this is not a sector issue. So I never read Wipro results as anything to draw with sector, because last now I think 16, 17 years, barring few quarters in between, they have not always underperformed the industry in terms of growth, and uh, also the peer set. And this is despite multiple experiments with multiple CEOs which they have gotten, both from internal and from external. What they have done phenomenally well in last several years is they have done very good execution and maintained margins, but they have not been able to get revenue growth at all. So I think this is one stock where it is very hard to give any comment related to industry or anything. They have never surprised. Only thing which has always worked in their favor has been a very, very reasonable valuation today, 2.2 lakh crore, out of which 50-60,000 crore is approximately the cash. So, what is there to market cap is only, if you see, 160x of cash. And from that perspective, the stock looks very, very cheap. And
therefore, Sandip, you were making a point, but I do want to ask, just a day back or 2 days back, you were talking about being much more positive on the IT space. Should it have been IT in brackets X Wipro?
Yes, absolutely. So, because we cannot give stock specific call, I am very clear that the index level IT will do phenomenally well. What we don't like is the ER&D play. Now, obviously cannot name single out one company here and there, but I think, there is a good money to be made at the index level, and also the IT services piece broadly. There will be companies which are expensive, there is low growth and all that. We have to exclude them. But still, I am not positive on ER&D. So avoid ER&D, buy anything in IT. Best is to buy the index.
Okay, Sandeep, that says it all. Ex-Wipro also says it all. So we kind of get the gist, guys. I don't know. I don't have anything more to ask Sandeep because he's given everything that he would have wanted.
No, so I suppose, Sandeep, then the only question really is that will you see a negative impact on the rest of the IT pack and the Nifty IT today? And if you do, because people will see this as hit from Wipro, would you use that opportunity to buy the Nifty IT?
So, I will put it this way, that after COVID, now the time has come when next 2 years there will be a good PAT and EPS growth in the IT sector. So there is no reason to be negative at the index level in the IT, and there is no reason to be negative in all the stocks. I think it is a much comfortable and better level. Now you can debate that EPS growth is coming because of rupee depreciation, but I would say it is a combination of both revenue growth and rupee depreciation. So time to, I think, make decent money from here in next 45, 60, 75 days. I don't know, 2, 3, 4 months, because IT is a sector which very quickly resets itself. So I don't know how long you get an opportunity, but I see that in next 2 years, the EPS growth will be 15-16%. And if that is the case, then there is a good 30% upside at the index level.
Okay, so but keep an horizon of 2 years. Would you participate in the Wipro buyback if you had an opportunity?
No, we don't do all these things. We have very selective mandate to buy stocks.
I mean, from the point of view of our viewers, Sandeep, the reason, people are watching this and they're wondering that whether the Wipro buyback is exciting or not. Any view there?
No, it is exciting. See, that is the best what management can do. There is low growth, and the stock is at abysmally low valuation. So they were distributing cash, and that is the right thing to do in my view. That is the way I would put.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much for that, Sandeep. The quick and short view on Wipro. I think we agree.